Hi, we are from Group 10. We'll present about IPSec VPN server. Installation of SoftAdder VPN server. Access to the SoftAdder VPN project and click download button. Choose SoftAdder VPN server. Select the software, component, platform and CPU. This is the version that we use and click install. Select Next. Select SoftAdder VPN server and click Next. Tick agree to the user license agreement. Click Next. Specify the directory to install SoftAdder VPN server and click Next. Click Finish after complete the setup. Configuration of SoftAdder VPN server. Click Edit Setting. Modify the setting name and use port 5555 and click Connect to localhost box for easy troubleshooting. Then click OK. Choose the setting name and click Connect. Set the administrator password and hit OK. Tick the Remote Access VPN server and Site-to-Site VPN server. And select Next and Yes. Set up for the virtual hub name and select OK. Disable VPN Azure service and press OK. Select Create User button and create a new user. Select Password Authentication for easy management. Set a new password for the user. After finish modifying, select OK to create new user. Set local bridge with desired NIC and close the window. Click OK. Choose Virtual NAT and Virtual DHCP. Next, select Enable Secure NAT and click OK to proceed. Click Encryption and Network option and change encryption algorithm name to S128SHA and click OK. Open IPSec setting, tick the box and set IPSec pre-shared key. Click OK. Virtual Hub is created and VPN server is ready to be connected. Installation of SoftAdder VPN Client. Select the component of VPN Client. Select Windows Platform and CPU. This is the version that we use and click Run. Allow the program to make change to your computer. Enter the administrator password and click Yes. Select SoftAdder VPN Client and select Next. Tick Agree and Next. Specify the directory and click Next and wait for the installation. Click Finish after complete the installation. Configuration of SoftAdder VPN Client. Select Add VPN Connection and click Yes. Enter the virtual network adapter name and click OK. The network adapter name will appear on the bottom section. Select Add VPN Connection again. Change the setting name. Then change the port number to 5555. Enter the IP address of VPN server. Change the authentication type to standard password authentication and insert the username and password that want to be logged in. After finish, click OK. The new VPN connection is successfully created. Testing IPSec VPN server in Windows Server. Open the Soft Adder VPN Client Manager and test for the connection. Select VPN Connection and select Connect. The VPN connection is successfully. That's all from Group 10. Thank you for watching.